Good morning, everyone. I am Sweta Sarangi, and today I'm going to teach you about construction equipment. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to study about the types of construction equipment we are using in the construction of road. So, proper use of appropriate equipment contributes to economy, quality, safety, speed, and timely completion of the project. Construction equipment is an important part of any construction process. It is not always desirable or possible for the contractor to own each and every type of construction equipment required for the project. Considering the various aspects of the utility of particular equipment, the contractor has to economically justify whether to purchase the equipment or to hire it. The amount invested in the purchase of equipment should be recovered during the useful period of such equipment. Okay. N- So, first of all, I'm going to explain you about hot mixing plant. So, asphaltic concrete is a mixture of asphalt, coarse aggregates, fine aggregates, and filler material. After mixing, we are heating them up to final product called hot mix. There are two basic types of plants used to manufacture hot mix asphalt and batch type plant, that is drum continuous type plant. Okay, so various parts of batch mix plants are cold aggregate 4 bin feeder, cold conveyor, aggregate dryer, mixing chamber, asphalt tank, mineral filter filler unit, load out conveyor, centralized control panel. So these are the various parts of a batch mixing plant. Okay, for use construction, or if our project is large, then we can place our batch mixing plant on the site itself. Okay, so it will be easy for to do the construction work, and also we can reduce the transportation fees as well as we can increase the speed of the work. So asphalt mixing plant is what is it is used for the manufacture of asphalt, concrete and other forms of coated road stone used for road construction project. It combines aggregate, sand and filler material in concrete proportions, heat the mixture and coat it with a binder, that is bitumen, asphalt or tar. Next is tipper. A truck or lorry, the rear platform of which can be raised at the front end to enable the load to be discharged by gravity, also called tip truck. Okay. Tippers are suited for the rough and tumble of mining and quarrying operations, as well as for carrying bulk loads in construction and infrastructure industries. Complete maneuverability, high performance and long-term endurance are common to all trucks, resulting in lower operating cost. Next is tractor. Multi-purpose machines used mainly for pulling and pushing. The other equipment, tractors may be classified as crawler type tractor and wheel mounted type tractor. So it is a self-propelled machine which is used to exert powerful tractive force for pulling other machines. When the tractor is not required for hauling it, it can be easily converted to serve as bulldozer. It is used for agricultural operation such as harvesting, etc. When the tractors are shovel, they can be used for mining operations also. So there are two types of tractors. First one is crawler mounted, that is used to move bulldozers, scrappers. The crawler has a chain by which these tractors can be very effective even in the case of loose or muddy soils. The speed of this type doesn't exceed 12 km per hour normally. It is used for rough and uneven surface. It is supported with endless chain of plates. Next is wheel mounted or wheel type tractor. The engine is mounted on four wheels. The main advantage is higher speed, sometimes exceeding 50 km per hour, and it is used for long x into 10 to the power to distance hauling and good roads. The tractor is supported on wheels. It can be used for heavy grounds. It has less operation cost, maintenance cost, and repair cost. It is easy to operate. These tractors can be travel at a high speed and can be moved from one place to another place easily. So here we can see this is the crawler type tractor and this one is the wheel type tractor. Okay. Nowadays, people are preferring this wheel type tractor because its maintenance cost and its initial cost is very low, and also it can work more efficiently, effectively, and also we can increase the speed of construction, and also its operation is very easy to learn. Next is scraper. So it consists of large bucket called scraper and it is attached to tractor. It has a cutting edge at the bottom. In civil engineering, a wheel tractor scraper is a piece of heavy equipment used for earth moving. The rear part has a vertically movable hopper, also known as the bowl, with a sharp horizontal front edge. The hopper can be hydraulically lowered and raised. When the hopper is lowered, the front edge cuts into the soil or clay like a plane and fills the hopper. When the hopper is full, it is raised and closed with a vertical blade that is known as the apron. Okay. Here we can see the image of scraper. So uses, it is used for digging, conveying, dumping, cleaning, etc. Next is bulldozer. A bulldozer is a crawler, continuous cracked tractor equipped with a substantial metal plate known as a blade used to push large quantities of soil, sand, rubble or other such material during construction or conversion work, and typically equipped at the rear with a claw-like device known as a ripper to loosen densely compacted materials. So to prepare road from mountains and hard grounds, to make a level ground, to clear the site for work, to excavate materials, we are using bulldozers. So its output depends on the condition under which it is operated. By knowing the number of tons of bulldozer of a given time, the approximate output can be estimated. The output of all the machinery equipments depend on the following reasons, that is efficiency of the operator, nature of soil, area of topography, type of equipments. It removes trees, rocks, boulder. It can be used on wet ground and also in any condition. Okay. Next is dumpers. A dumper is a vehicle designed for carrying bulk material, often on building sites. Dumpers are distinguished from dump trucks by configuration. A dumper is usually as an open four-wheeled vehicle with the load skip in front of the driver, while a dump truck has its cab in front of the load. The skip can tip to dump the load. This is where the name dumper comes from. They are normally diesel powered. A towing eye is fitted for secondary use as a side tractor. Modern dumpers have payloads of up to 10 tons and usually steer by articulating at the middle of the chassis. So here we can see the image of dumper or dump trucks. Okay. So rest equipments we will going to study in the next class. Okay. Thank you.